Muslim English Language Institute.
Account. An account with a bank is an arrangement to keep one's money there.
After I paid for the new car, my bank account was nearly empty.
Architect. An architect is a person who designs buildings.
The plans for building the new home were drawn by a famous architect.
Conceal. To conceal something means to hide it.
You should conceal your money so no one can take it from you.
Crime. A crime is something bad that a person does that can be punished by law.
Police quickly arrived at the scene of the crime.
Deed. A deed is a certificate that proves that someone owns something.
When she bought the car, she was given a deed to show the car was hers.
Gratitude. Gratitude is a feeling of being thankful.
The kids showed Aunt Tess much gratitude for visiting them.
Habitat. A habitat is the natural home of animals or plants.
Frogs are often found in a wet habitat, such as near a lake, river, or pond.
Intervene. To intervene means to help stop a problem between two people or groups.
The students argued until the teacher intervened.
Landmark. A landmark is an object that helps people find or remember a location.
The tall tree was used as a landmark for people to find the road to the inn.
Legal. If something is legal, it is related to the law or allowed by the law.
It was not legal for him to drive until he was 18 years old.
Memorable. If something is memorable, then it is remembered for a special reason.
The party was memorable. People were still talking about it years later.
Oblige. To oblige someone means to require them to do something.
If I wanted to have playtime, I was obliged to clean my room once a week.
Offence. An offence is an action that breaks the law and requires punishment.
He was put in jail for 2 days for the offense.
Proclaim. To proclaim something means to say it in public.
The Army general proclaimed that the war was won.
Rally. A rally is a large public meeting in order to support something.
The school had a rally in the gym to support the basketball team.
Resolve. To resolve something means to find a solution.
She resolved the problem with her children by giving them both a toy.
Resource. Resources are a person or country's money and materials that they can use.
The poor man didn't have the resources to feed himself.
Sentence. A sentence is punishment given to someone who didn't follow the law.
The sentence for stealing a car is much worse than for stealing candy.
Volunteer. To volunteer means to offer to do something for free.
Many people volunteered to help the adults learn to read.
Witness. A witness is someone who sees or hears a crime or accident happen.
The woman was the only witness of the horrible crime.